In this quick tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to use ChatGPT in the Chinese language. Whether you want the text displayed on the page to appear in Chinese or prefer ChatGPT to reply in Chinese, I'll show you exactly how to set that up. First, it's important to note that there's no official way to change the language settings within ChatGPT. As you can see, there is no settings option on the left side, meaning ChatGPT is only available in English by default. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround, and I'm going to guide you through it. For this demonstration, I'm using Google Chrome on a Windows PC. If you're using a different browser or operating system, the process may vary slightly. That's why I highly recommend using Google Chrome for the most consistent results. Once you're on ChatGPT in Chrome, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Translate. For me, it's already set to Chinese, but when you click the Translate button, the page will automatically switch to Chinese. If you haven't adjusted this setting before, you might only see one language. To add Chinese, just click the three dots, select Choose Another Language, and scroll down to find Chinese. There are two types, simplified and traditional. Choose the one that works best for you, then click Done. The page will be translated into Chinese in just a few seconds. When it comes to getting responses in Chinese, there's nothing special you need to do. Just type to ChatGPT in Chinese and it will recognize the language and respond accordingly. For instance, I've copied the phrase, "How are you?" in Chinese and pasted it here. Let's see how ChatGPT responds. Keep in mind, it may take a moment to respond or even give you an error occasionally. If that happens, simply refresh the page and the issue will resolve itself. Now that I've refreshed the page, let's see what ChatGPT says. As you can see, it's now replying to me in Chinese. That's all for this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist.